Welcome back. It's art time class. Today, I'm going to go over how you're going to view your activities, fill out the form, add an attachment, and submit all your work to get credit. Let's get started. So here we are in Google Classroom, and I see our assignment, how to submit artwork and writing. All right. So it says here I need to watch the video and fill out the form. And right here it says writing assignments may not be typed in art class. That means we're going to have to use paper and pencil. Students will practice penmanship, this art or skill of writing by hand. Use one or more vocabulary words: art, composition, line, shape, value, texture, color, space, and finally doodle. All right, let's go ahead and click on our video. I see it opens up here and starts playing right away for us. When we're done, go up to the top and click that little arrow, and let's open up the form. To start with, we're going to need to type in our first and last name. Now, it's very important that we use capital letters. I'm going to use art and time as my first and last name. Note that I use capital letters to start that since names are proper. Let's see here. I'm going to pretend I'm in 3rd grade. And then for my homeroom teacher, I'm going to put the word class, but you need to put your homeroom teacher. Note that the very first letter is always capital. Go ahead and click next. Now I can watch the video again if I need, and then answer the question below. Which materials do you use to write for art? Technology? Some of us use technology this week, and that's okay. Let's see what else there is. Wall and paint. No, that's a silly answer. You don't write on the wall with paint. Silly. Writing paper and pencil or pen. Well, writing paper is this type of paper here. It's got the lines on it. That would be helpful for writing, so I definitely think that could be the answer. And then the last one says construction paper and markers. Well, if I don't have this, I think my teachers would be okay with construction paper or markers, but the real right answer, the one that we really want, is writing paper, pen, or pencil. So let's go ahead and click on that one and click next. Now for our journal entry. And it says here, my writing prompt is to write what is your favorite something to doodle? Ooh, I get to do a doodle. I just like saying the word doodle too. That's really fun. All right, let's go ahead and check out what our journal entry should look like. So here I have my journal, and I've already doodled on it a little bit. And doodles are really just fun little pictures. Here are some of my journal entries I've already been practicing and working on. Let's go ahead and start a new page. So the very top corner up here, this big line, we're going to do some very important information. Our first and last name. For my example, I'm going to put the word art time as my first and last name, but you need to put your first and last name there. For the middle area, we're going to put the title of our writing. I'm going to do the word doodle because I like the word doodle. I think it's fun to say. And then over here, I'm going to put the date. So today's date for me is August 26, 2020. So there's the date. Now, as a 3rd or 4th grader, I should be writing 3 to 4 sentences, but I need to spend 5 to 15 minutes on this. Now, some of us have writing accommodations to give us extra time. Some of us have accommodations to give us a little less work to do, and you guys know who you are. So for this, some of us might need to spend the full 15 minutes just practicing and writing super neatly because our main focus is practicing our penmanship. So to start, I'm going to put my favorite something. Notice I'm trying to write as neatly as I can between the lines. Something to doodle is clouds and the sun. So that's one sentence there. I like, that's like a big kid sentence too. I like adding rain and animals. Ooh, I'm going to add another vocabulary word. Using shapes and lines. Now, I have all of those words for me right here. So you can see a lot of this, like favorite, something, to doodle, is spelled correctly for you. The word line and shape, those and doodle, those are all correctly spelled. So it should be correctly spelled on your writing as well. If I want to go above and beyond, I could even underline my vocabulary words, just to be extra fancy. Now down here, I'm going to go ahead and do my doodle. Let's see. I like the cloud. Then I'm going to put the sun like it's popping up over here. I'm going to give it a happy face. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And I'll put some raindrops coming down. I'm using different little shapes, little oval shape coming down here. I'm going to do the moon hanging out on the side. Some stars. Yay! And there's my little doodle. Now, how are we going to submit this? Let's go ahead and submit our form. So we have credit for that. I can even view accuracy if I want. See that I got my answer correct. Excellent. I was right. Now let's close that. And we're going to go back to our classwork. So here the form's already done. And over here, I need to add some stuff to it. So I'm going to click up here, click add. I'm going to need to add a file. Now, how do I take a picture? Let me show you guys how we're going to do that. Down here at the very bottom corner, kind of right where my head is, right back here. Y'all see that? There's a little button here. You're going to click that, and you're looking for the word camera. So click on that camera. So right here, you can see the camera that I used to point down is already uploading and ready to go. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to click just like that. And now I've taken a picture. All right, I can close out my camera and go to File. I need to find that file and upload it. So over here, see it says Recent? I actually need to go to Upload. And then I can open up, right here, I can open up a folder and I can click on Pictures, which leads me to all my folders where my pictures are kept. And I'm going to Camera Roll. And here I can see the different pictures I've taken today. I don't need to double click it. I need to click and drag it. So once I click and drag it over here, it starts loading that image. All right. And now I need to click the word Turn In. Click it one more time. Always wants to double check. And I did it, guys! We submitted our work, not just the form, but also an image attachment so we can get credit for our writing and any other art pictures that we make throughout the year. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm more than happy to help guide you through getting this set up. Please do not stress if you can't figure it out these first few weeks. Do not worry about it. As long as you're trying, I will know that you're trying. It kind of shows me when you're getting on, and it shows me that you're trying to submit stuff, and that's enough right now, okay? We're all going to get there together. Till next time, keep being creative.